Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shells and this is my kitchen, and if you're new here, I'm just basically a home cooking nerd that loves to test recipes out and give you my tips and techniques that I've learned along the way. So if you're into that, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications for more weekly videos. So today I kind of wanted to try a little battle between banana breads. Yeah. So I'm jumping on the bandwagon and I'm gonna try to make a banana bread, vegan and regular, non-vegan. So we're gonna see at the end which one tastes better, and yeah. Please make sure to check out the description box to check out the recipe for both banana breads. Now, if you want to see which one wins the battle of banana breads, then stay tuned and watch till the end. Let's get into it. Time to take out the vegan. All right, we'll wait for the other one. So what I ended up doing with the extra batter, I ended up just putting them into plastic bags and I'm just gonna put it in the freezer. I was thinking maybe I could add some oatmeal and kind of do like oatmeal banana bread cookie. No, oatmeal, chocolate chip, walnut, pecan cookies. That's a mouthful. All right, let's check on our second banana bread. It's time to taste the banana breads. Let's get on with it. Ooh, it smells fire. We've got the regular. And in the left corner, we have vegan banana breads. And in the right corner, we have the regular banana bread. So, who will stand the taste test of time? Let's get on with it. Let's cut the banana bread. Cuts like a dream. I don't know if you guys can still see the steam. Jesus. I'm gonna get a middle slice, just to be fair. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut into the regular banana bread. The steam right here. All right, guys, it's time to taste the banana bread. So the smaller one is the vegan banana bread, and then the bigger one is the regular. So let's get into it. All right. Okay. Like, wow. Fire. That's vegan? That's crazy. That's crazy. Bro. So that one's fire. Wow. When you eat it warm, different ballgame. Okay, so the next one, we're going to try the regular banana bread. Here we go. This is also my first time making banana bread, so I mean, not bad. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, so we have a problem. I can't tell the difference if it's vegan or not vegan. They taste the same. Like, that's crazy. So I'm gonna have to pick a winner, and I'm thinking the winner is the vegan banana bread. You wanna know why? Because I couldn't even tell the difference between the two. And the fact that there's no dairy in the vegan, okay, there's a whole fly here. The fact that the vegan one just literally tastes the same, and it's just like you really, there's no taste difference at all. They taste delicious. I mean, I did make them. They taste really good. All in all, you should definitely try this recipe out, both recipes. Whether you're vegan, plant-based, or if you just want a regular banana bread recipe, this one is fire. It's amazing. All right, guys, that's my video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Eliza. She's saying welcome. Sleepy. Eliza, you want to try some banana bread? Look at her. Beautiful. Beauty.